guys, it's me Leilani, and today I bought this slime at Walmart for actually $1. It's this Compound Kings. It's this neon orange slime, and I'll be testing it out today. Okay, so let's take it out the container. It says it's super stretchy. Let's see. Okay, can you poke it? It's really good poking. See if you can do a bubble. Yes, that was an amazing bubble. Okay, now let's see if you can stretch. It feels super stretchy, guys. Oh yeah.
Can you give me a pizza, please?
Okay. It's very stretchy. Here you go, Mom. It's very stretchy. See if I can do a slime swirl. I'm trying to keep on folding it so it can look nice and pretty. That was a pretty good one. It didn't really pop. Well, you can't really hear it. Want to see another bubble? That's a little bit. Look, but it's good. Ah! Look, okay. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it. Oh, let's see if it can make fart noises. It can. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I hope you like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And I hope you subscribe. Okay, bye.